Today I'll be teaching you guys how you guys can download all photos and videos from your Google Photo in one click. It's pretty simple. After opening your Google Photos, you want to click on your profile picture at the top right of your screen. Once you click on it, you want to click on this option called Manage Your Google Accounts. And from inside Manage Your Google Accounts, you want to click on Data and Privacy. From inside Data and Privacy, you want to scroll all the way down until you find this option called Apps and Services. Once you find Apps and Services, right below it you will see Content Saved from Google Service. You want to click on it. Once you click on it, it's going to take you to the Content Saved page. Over here, scroll a bit down until you see this option called Google Photos. So as you guys can see, you see Photos. And right below Photos, you can see the option called Download. Click on Download and it's going to take you to the download page of Google. So wait for some time. And once you're in this page, scroll a bit down and click on where it says Next Step. And on Next Step, it's going to give you this. Send download link via email. Make sure you choose that, send download link via email. And over here on frequency, you want to choose export once. And on file type, you can choose which type of file you want. I will go for zip, but you can choose whichever one. And on file size, you can go for 2 GB or 10 GB. So if your data is really big, I will go for 10, but if it is small, then I will go for 2. I just have 4 photos, so I will go for 2. But if you have a lot, go for 10. Click on Create Export. Once you do that, it's going to send you an export link, as you guys can see. Your files are currently being prepared. This process can take a long time, hours and days to complete. You'll receive an email when it's done. So whenever this process is done, I need to go check my email. So I will suggest you to go check your mail after 1 day. So open your Gmail, and on your Gmail, Google is going to send you a link just like this. You can click on download your files, and you will be able to download all your photos and videos from your Google Photo in one click by doing this. Now my data came really quick because I only had 4 photos. If you have tons of videos and photos to download, it might take you 1 or 2 days. So you need to wait for at least 1 or 2 days. But yeah, that's how you guys can download all photos and videos from Google in one click. Hit the subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time.